videos! By the way, I heard he got beat up by Senior Smoothie. I was like, what the heck, Orange? What happened to you? And she was like, I was like, whatever.